Hi guys, welcome back. Dito tayo ngayon sa airport, sa LX airport. That's funny. Ayan, may malaking airplane na parating guys. Ayan na siya guys, tingnan natin. Look at this. Nasaan na yung airplane? Here it comes. Ayan na, laki. Laki na yung plano, oh. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan guys. Touchdown sa LX airport. Ayan guys. So, dito nga tayo ngayon sa LX. Naglalakad kami at nag-friend spotting. Sana mapanood nyo guys ang video ko isa sa Mary's Vlog. Sana mabisita nyo yung isa guys. Ayan. So, tapos na kami nag-friend spotting. Uwi na kami guys. So, just a short video here. Ayan siya guys. Ayan, ma-in-out dito sa park and airport, Los Angeles Airport here. Ayan, pasyal din by my time. So, we just finished our work and ito kami ngayon. Gumagawa ng video ng mga planes. Ayan siya guys. Ganda dito guys, mag-relax-relax. Alright guys, so thank you. Until next time. Thank you guys. Ang LX sign. Ayan. Alright guys, salamat. Hindi sila subscribe. See you next time. Ay, hindi pa pala tapos kay. Ayan, may nakita akong aeroplano na it's going to land. Ayan, magla-land na siya guys. Ayan, malaking aeroplano ito. Tingnan natin. Ayan na guys. Turkish Airlines. Turkish Airlines guys. Laki. Oh my goodness. What? That's the big one. That was Turkish. Ah. Ganda dito guys. Sarap maglakad. At mag-relax-relax dito sa park na to guys. At mahangin, malamig ang hangin ngayon. Ayan. Malamig ang hangin. So ayun guys, uuwi na kami. Short video lang tayo ngayon. Sa susunod ulit. Kasi traffic na ngayon pauwi ng back to Burbank. Tingnan mo itong malaking puno, oh. Ganda. Yes. So, ito yung park, guys. Westchester. Welcome to Westchester. Ayan, guys. Westchester. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Westchester. Ayan. Malapit sa airport. Ayan, guys. Alright, guys. Salamat. Until next time. Ayan. Bye, guys. See you next time. Ganda talaga dito. Sarap mag-relax-relax. Guys, ang laki ng aeroplano. Super ganda talaga ng view dito ng mga aeroplano. What's up? Plane spotting. Wow. Alright guys, yun lang. It's our last plane. Alright guys, tapos na kami mag-plane spotting. We're driving now, going back to Burbank. So we're gonna drive here sa airport ng Los Angeles. LX. My husband's pointing. You can talk. Yung terminal ng airport ng Los Angeles. So, nandito tayo sa downtown Los Angeles. Oh, airport. We're in the LAX airport. Like, it's like a downtown.
El Segundo. This is actually El Segundo.
El Segundo.
Alright
guys, here my United Airlines. You can see the tails. Ayan guys, laki ng aeroplano. Oh, this is the Iba. See the tail? Iba. So we're driving under the runway. We're in the runway under tunnel. Traffic pa uwi. 1 hour and 18 minutes going back to Burbank. Traffic kasi. It's 5:07. Yeah, 1 hour drive. We're in the tunnel, under the tunnel of the runway ng airport. LAX airport.
Just keep going because you can even see the airport.
Alright, we're going to 105 East. Alright, we're going to Norwalk. Except Norwalk.
Emirates. It's getting ready to take off.
Oh, I can't see that way.
Yes, you can. There's the tail.
Oh, Emirates! We should go to the park. We should go to the park quick.
We can't get back there. He's getting ready to take off.
The Emirates is taking off. 508.
See it?
There's another one landing. Anyway. I think it's Aeromexico. Oh.
See, this comes all the way to here.
FedEx airplane. Maybe next time. Oh, look at the plane. Lots of FedEx. Let's see. I cannot see. Oh, the big Emirates is taking off. Wow. So, ayan. Uwi na kami.
What is he?
The police.
Plane's coming in.
Yeah, 2 planes are coming. Dalawang aeroplano na lalanding is going to land. And here comes the traffic na. We're in the carpool lane right now. Let's go to the sign.
This is
We're next to the carpool lane. Okay, here comes the traffic.
just the 405. Just right here.
See the view.